Imagine being sent high quality and consistent heating installation inquiries and only having to pay when you convert a job. That would be perfect, right? Well, that's exactly what we offer here at FatRank. So many so-called marketing specialists will sell you services claiming to rank better in Google, but oftentimes the results can be very disappointing. Things like low-quality SEO services, directory listings already filled with your competitors, and more can leave your company stranded, wondering what the best solution actually is when it comes to growing your brand. That's why it's time to take a look at our risk-free supply of inquiries that we can offer. At FatRank, we specialize in high-quality nationwide leads in basically any niche imaginable. And the best part, our service is totally risk-free, a first in the lead generation industry. When you work with us, you only pay for a lead when it converts, meaning no upfront costs, and if you don't convert the lead, you don't have to pay a penny. No more monthly payments, no more time wasters, no more risk. Our aim is to provide true value, not tying our clients into contracts or monthly fees for the leads that we offer them. It's because of this that we're selective with who we work with, as we want to make sure you're able to deal with the quantity of high quality leads we're able to provide in your industry. Don't just take our word for it, just look at the hundreds of happy clients we've helped over the years and our glowing testimonials on our website. So if this sounds like something you and your business could be interested in, please feel free to get in touch with us today at www.fatrank.com. Thanks a lot for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.